Dear students, welcome to all of you in the English class. Today I am going to teach you article writing. First of all, everybody must know what is an article. So the answer is an article is a long composition. It is written for newspapers, magazine and for some definite purpose. It is an expression of one's thoughts on an issue or a subject logically and systematically written in meaningful paragraphs. Writing an article is a challenging task. It needs creativity, a good vocabulary, good knowledge of the subject, and skill to organize ideas. There are many purposes of writing an article. Articles are written for magazines and newspapers for many purposes. Some common themes are social concerns, narration of an event, description of a place, person, or experience, to provide information, to present a personal opinion, and to offer advice. Now I am coming to the format of an article. In the format of an article, first of all, we write the title. Title, it is the heading of an article. Just a word, phrase, or even a short sentence may make the title of an article. It must be catchy and sharp to catch the attention of the readers. It always reflects on the main theme. Now, second step is byline. This part mentions the name of the writer. If in the question paper name is not mentioned, then write XYZ in running handwriting. Now, third step is introductory paragraph. It opens the article and should be catchy to attract the attention of the readers. You can use techniques like starting with an interesting slogan, quotation, question, or some remarkable fact related to the article. Now, next step is middle paragraph. In this part, all the major facts and supporting ideas are expressed with the help of examples and evidences. This should be an elaboration of the topic. Ideas are generally explained in 2 or 3 sub-paragraphs. So students, you can write 2 or 3 paragraphs in the mid. Now we are coming to the last step, that is conclusion. It concludes the ideas expressed in the article and expresses our feelings such as our expectations, appeals, recommendations, or solution to the critical issues. Thank you.